Budgeting 101. How to stop spending and start saving. Budgeting? I can hear you groaning already. But budgeting does not have to be a chore. In this video, I'll show you how to create a budget that fits your lifestyle and, more importantly, how to stick to it. I know, budgeting can sound boring, but trust me, it's the key to financial success. We'll cover everything from tracking your spending to finding your budgeting style. Get ready to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Grab some paper and a pen and make a list so you can track your monthly income and expenses. Step 2. Try to set realistic financial savings goals and set aside an amount each month in savings. Step 3. Review that rough budget and come up with some strategies for cutting costs and reducing expenses. Step 4. Each month do a further review and adjust your budget accordingly as needed. Step 5. Move any leftover income not needed each month into an emergency fund, savings. Visit our website, www.debtdetoxadvisors.com, to find out more about budget creation and maintenance. Debt Detox Advisors is the one-stop site for all things debt-related. And it's totally free to access. So, if you, or someone you know, dealing with debt trouble, know there is a solution to reduce the size of that debt and the amount owed to creditors. And take your first steps towards financial freedom. Remember, there is life after debt.